Welcome to your equestrian paradise at 8011 Wood Drive, nestled in the serene countryside of Disputanta, Virginia. Spread across nearly 28 acres, this exceptional horse farm is equipped with everything you need: multiple pastures, riding areas, a stable paddock with stables, and a tack room, all with the convenience of water and electricity in every building. The custom-built home, with its charming Canadian cedar siding and 9-foot ceilings, offers both elegance and functionality. Inside, enjoy over 3,600 square feet of space, featuring 3 bedrooms, a massive bonus room, and a spacious kitchen with an eat-in dining area. Whether you're relaxing in the large primary suite or enjoying high-speed internet in the heart of the countryside, this home is designed for comfort and connectivity. Make this breathtaking property your retreat, a perfect blend of rural charm and modern amenities. Listed at less than $800,000, it's more than a home. It's a lifestyle.